Hi everybody, in this video I wanted to share a certain philosophy or way of thinking that I have about my portfolio and how it relates to other factors in my life. So I think that when some people start out investing, they get really excited and they get really focused on the stock market and their stock portfolio, that they kind of forget that it's a part of a system and that it's not the whole thing. What I mean by that is there's factors in your life that's outside of your stock portfolio that directly affect your stock portfolio. So for example, where you work, how much money you make, if you rent, how much your rent is, how much money you're spending on food, what car you drive, things like that. This is all related and connected to your stock portfolio. So an example that I have is when I was first investing in the stock market portfolio, I didn't drive the car that I have now. I think I was driving a Ford Taurus, a pretty old Ford Taurus too, and it was not very gas efficient at all. I think I was spending about probably about $300 a month on gas. And now I drive a Toyota Prius. I drive a hybrid, so I barely spend any money on gas at all. I'm saving several $100s a month on gas, and I've owned the Prius for a couple years now, and the money really adds up. And because I'm saving lots of money on gas, that directly affects my stock market portfolio, because now I could invest that extra money that I'm saving into my portfolio and investing and making it grow. Same with eating, and I buy a lot of groceries to kind of save money, because usually when I cook things myself, by buying the ingredients and cooking it myself, it's a lot cheaper than buying it from a restaurant. And also, over the years, I've tried to increase my hourly wage by getting a higher paying job. And I've been trying to look at doing things like Amazon Flex on the side as gig work to earn even more money. And even this YouTube channel, I hope it really takes off so I can start earning money from this too. But yeah, there's a lot of factors outside of your stock market portfolio that directly affects it, because you can look at how much you're spending and you can adjust your decisions so that you can end up saving some money so you can have some more money to put in your stock portfolio. And also behavior wise, like let's say that my entire net worth is in my stock market portfolio. In that case, how I'm investing is totally different than if my stock market portfolio was only like 10% of my net worth or something. Like if I had $10,000 in my portfolio, however, I own $1 million house, in that case, my stock market portfolio is only a small portion of my entire net worth. So I'm going to invest accordingly. Whereas if my entire net worth is in my stock market portfolio, there's more to lose, because if things go wrong and the stocks that I invest in like crash, that's going to affect my entire net worth way more than if a lot of my money is in a house or a property or something like that. So that directly affects how I'm investing. So yeah, I feel like a lot of people, they think that their stock market portfolio exists inside of a bubble or a vacuum and is completely separate from the rest of their life. But honestly, the way I see it is it should only be considered part of your entire personal finance, and things like how many clothes you're buying, where you're shopping, groceries, your utilities, things like that. All of these things directly affect your stock market portfolio and how much money you choose to put into there and invest, and your behavior wise, how you're investing and how much risk you're taking. All of this is connected. So yeah, that's just an idea that I wanted to share with you guys, and I wanted to make this video about it. All right, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.